9 steps for creating powerful affirmations. Using positive affirmations every day is a powerful way of switching up your mindset and set you on the path to success. More and more people, from sports stars to entrepreneurs, are using affirmations to change their mindsets, to concentrate on achieving their goals and creating the life they really want. You'll be surprised at how easy it is to create your own powerful positive affirmations focused on what you want. 1. Take control with I am statements. Affirmations are much more powerful if they start with the words I am. Those two little words immediately make whatever follows personalized and immediate. Straight away, the affirmation is not generic, but yours, focused on what you want to be or have right now. 2. Keep it in the present. Notice the words I am are not I want or I will. A powerful affirmation puts you right in the middle of what you want to achieve right now. Not something to work towards or wish might happen, but is happening now. 3. Keep it positive. Powerful affirmations make you feel good. They are positive. Keep the focus on what you want, not what you don't want. 4. Keep it brief. You're not writing an essay or even a wish list. Keep your affirmations short and focused, so it's easy to remember. 5. Keep it specific. A powerful affirmation is focused on precisely what you want. If it's a house in a particular street, or a trip to a small Tuscan village, or a specific weight goal, put the detail in your affirmation. Make it as real as you can. 6. Include an action. Powerful affirmations have energy. They have an active, present tense verb in them. Think of what you're doing in your desired life. Are you enjoying your new home? Relaxing on that Hawaiian beach? Driving your new car? 7. Include a positive emotion. If your affirmation is going to make you feel good, you have to evoke the positive emotion you want to feel. How will you feel when you achieve your goal? Happy? Grateful? Proud of yourself? 8. Stay attentive to yourself. The most potent affirmations are the ones you make for yourself. That's why generic affirmations have a limited effect. They might feel good at the moment, but won't go to the heart of what you want for yourself. 9. Create an affirmation habit. Like any new behavior, affirmations are most powerful when they are repeated regularly and consistently. Set up a positive habit by writing down your affirmations and committing to repeating them to yourself at least 3 times a day. Morning, midday, and bedtime might be convenient times for you. Include positive affirmations as part of your regular routine and manifest the life of your dreams.